Alright you guys, so I'm barefaced obviously. Whenever I do my makeup, my eyebrows are the first thing I do, so I'm just gonna stick with my routine. Okay, so this Wunderbrow is what I'm gonna be trying. So this product is an eyebrow gel that claims to last for days. Let's see, I'm gonna read the back. Wonderbrow is the complete one-step solution to thicker, more beautiful eyebrows. Our PermaFix gel technology locks color and tiny hair fibers to the skin, giving you thicker, more defined brows that are smudge-proof, transfer-proof, and waterproof for up to 3 days. Okay, can you imagine only doing your eyebrows twice a week? That's what I'm hoping this will allow me to do. So I'm really excited to try it. So I'm gonna insert pictures because they have 5 colors total that you can choose from. And the first one I ordered was a black brown, and I'm gonna insert pictures right here. And it was like 2 shades darker than my skin tone, and that did not work. That wasn't gonna work, so I returned it. And they should be refunding my money in the next few days. And so the next color they have that would be suitable for someone of my skin complexion is jet black. I don't know about you if you're brown, but I never use jet black anything on my eyebrows. That's just too dark. Like you always use like a dark brown, but jet black. I'm gonna try it. I don't know, hopefully it works, but that this jet black color is sort of throwing me off. I don't know why they wouldn't have a color in between the black brown and the jet black. That would be great. We'll see though, we'll see. So in this, you have your brow gel, and they give you a little spoolie and a paper in here. I think that's instructions. So you need to apply to clean, dry brows. And it says, once applied, soften the product by grooming the brow upwards and outwards with the spoolie brush. Reapply product for more coverage if needed. For optimum results, do not apply cream or moisturizer over application area. For removal before 3 days, apply an oil-based cleanser or oil directly over the Wonderbrow. Massage, then gently remove with a cotton pad. Okay, so they have this cleanse, and so you're supposed to use it to take off the brows, but I'm feeling like from these instructions I probably didn't have to buy this. I don't know, it's fine, I got it, but I don't know, I'm feeling like I maybe didn't need to get it. My gosh, this is really dark. So I'm just taking my alcohol and rubbing it on my brows. That's not bad. I think this is gonna, I think if I apply my concealer before, I think that will help. Just to outline. And the reason why I'm even considering this is because this is supposed to be like sort of like semi-permanent-esque, so I want them to be as perfect as possible, so I have to do the least amount of touching up. Okay, so I think this is a really good guide. Now we're going to use this extra dark brow gel. Jet black is what this is, and that is black, you guys, very black. And this is such a soft brush, you guys. I hope you guys can see, but it is like not something, I would never take this and just like go on my brow with it. I'm going to get some on my brush. Now I'm going to very lightly. This is what it's looking like. I'm gonna use my spoolie now to brush up. It's pretty dry now. But I mean, it looks decent. It's a little too dark right here. Put too much product, so maybe I can brush that. Okay, so that's just what it's gonna be on this side. I'm gonna start on my left brow now. These are how my brows are looking. I guess I should comb this one out with the spoolie as well. Up and outward. I feel like I'm ready to just put it to the test now and see if this stuff really stays on. And I do have concealer on my face still, which is fine. That should be the only thing that comes off. The concealer and my eyebrows are two different colors, so I will definitely notice if any eyebrow stuff comes off. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm just gonna wipe. I mean, the brows are not coming off. This is the cotton ball. Both sides. Is still not coming off. I'm just gonna go put some makeup on and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys my final thoughts on this product and close out the video. So I'll see you in just a moment. Okay guys, so I have a full face of makeup on now and I just want to see like my brows with everything done. It's not, it looks good. I feel like my whole face as a whole looks good. It's definitely darker. I know for sure it's darker than my brows, how they usually look. I don't think my brows look bad. I'm actually content with them. And so I don't know, maybe tomorrow, like after I wash my face, it'll fade a little bit since it is supposed to last 3 days. So I'm thinking it's gonna fade a little bit with every day. What do you guys think? Do you think my eyebrows look extra harsh? Or do you think this works for me? I think it works for me, in my opinion. But I do think that they need to make a color that is in between their black brown and also their jet black. They need to make a color in between just to cater to people. It's just such like a jump. And I don't know, I would definitely prefer something that was maybe like 2 or 3 shades lighter than jet black. This was $22. Shipping was fine, no complaints about the shipping. I don't think I have anything else to say about this product besides the fact that I wish they had a different color. I did go on the website and write a review stating that it would be nice for them to have a color in between, but other than that, I'm content with the product. I would say try it out if you want to. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to come back on and show you guys my brows the next morning. I noticed last night when I washed my face that like the perimeter of my brows was, you know, withering away, but it was definitely more pigmented before I went to sleep. You can tell there's a difference between what I showed you guys yesterday and this morning. Just a quick FYI, I did moisturize my face that night before I went to sleep, and I also have oily skin, so I'm sure that did not help the product stay on, but still I wasn't expecting it to come off as much as it did the next morning. Yes, I think that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this review was helpful for you, and if you like it, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.